our ESP2, Ma'am Winena Joy C. Flores, and our very own BSDS to do the honor. Let me read first the citation. Department of Education, Region 5, Division of Camarines Sur, Pasacao District 2, Caranan South Elementary School, Caranan, Pasacao, Camarines Sur. Present this clap of appreciation to Police Staff Sergeant Alvin U. Latosa, Batch 2005, for his unselfish dedication in the pursuit of genuine education and his expertise in conveying a significant message to the graduates reflective of his knowledge and his specialization, thereby serving as a shining inspiration as commencement speaker during the 2024-66 commencement exercises with the theme, Kabataang Pilipino para sa matatag na kinabukasan ng bagong Pilipinas. Given this 31st day of May 2024 at Caranan South Elementary School, Caranan, Pasacao, Camarines Sur. Signed by our elementary school principal 2, Ma'am Winena Joy C. Flores, and signed by our public school district supervisor, Dr. Maria Rebecca Sandy T. Llanos. Let us give once again a big hand please to our commencement speaker. Thank you so much, sir, for sharing your insights and valuable time with us today. Thank you so much once again, sir. And